अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस। आज की वीडियो में हम 30 टॉप मोस्ट एमसीक्यूज ऑफ सिनोनिम्स डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। ये मोस्टली कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स, एफपीएससी और दूसरे जितने भी टेस्टिंग सर्विसेज है वहाँ पे पूछे गए हैं। तो आज के वीडियो में हम ये सिनोनिम्स डिस्कस करेंगे, तो आप लोगों ने वीडियो को आखिर तक देखना। अगर चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए। अभी हम स्टार्ट करते हैं एमसीक्यूज। सिनोनिम ऑफ propinquity is A. Distance, B. Closeness, C. Remoteness, D. Isolation. So the right answer is going to be, it is B. Closeness. Synonym of chromulant is A. Acceptable, B. Unacceptable, C. Questionable, D. Dubious. So the right answer is going to be, it is A. Acceptable. Synonym of amanuensis is A. Secretary, B. Assistant, C. Clerk, D. Scribe. So the correct answer is going to be, it is D. Scribe. Synonym of this synonym of desiderium is A. Craving, B. Satisfaction, C. Fulfillment, D. Contentment. So the correct answer is going to be, it is A. Craving. Synonym of finagle is A. Surrender, B. Manipulate, C. Cooperate, D. Wheedle. So the correct answer is going to be, it is D. Wheedle. Synonym of macadamized is A. Gravelled, B. Muddied, C. Turfed. We can say turfed, and D. Paved. So the correct answer is going to be, it is paved. Synonym of Sibyllin is A. Enigmatic, B. Obvious, C. Transparent, and D. Subtle. So the correct answer is going to be, it is enigmatic. Synonym of leviate, sorry, synonym of levitate is going to be A. Sink, B. Float, C. Plot, D. Wonder. So the correct answer is going to be, it is float. B is correct. Synonym of occupation is A. Conversation, B. Reclining, C. Ambulation, D. Occupation. So the correct answer is going to be, it is B. Reclining. Synonym of the word frabjous is A. Wonderful, B. Surprising, C. Blith, D. Gesto. So the correct answer is going to be, it is A. Wonderful. So the correct answer is wonderful. What is a word similar to scarcely? A. Barely, B. Certainly, C. Completely, D. Surely. So the correct answer is going to be, it is barely. A is correct. What is the synonym of placate? A. Rouse, B. Harass, C. Pacify, D. None of the above. So the correct answer is going to be, it is pacify. C is correct. Synonym of feral is dash. A. Wild, B. Tame, C. Tamed, D. None. So the correct answer is going to be, it is wild. A is correct. American sabre rating is unlikely to bring come to a Middle East that is ready to explode. Here, separating word means A. Threat of military force, B. Military aid, C. Unchecked financial support, D. Coercive measures. So the correct answer is going to be it is threat of military force. A is the correct answer. Qureshi accuses prosecution of dilly-dallying. Here the word dilly-dallying means A. Wasting time by being indecisive. B. Becoming hasty in decision making. C. Not cooperating with counsel. D. Not respecting because of political interferences. So the correct answer is going to be it is A. Wasting time by being indecisive. Synonym of garish is A. Confused, B. Gaudy, C. Unusual, D. Exciting. Or correct answer is going to be gaudy. Synonym of infuriate is A. Threaten, B. Enrage, C. Burn, D. Disrage. So the disgrace. So the correct answer is going to be it is in enrage. B is correct. Fast, hunger, ratio, race, ratio dash. It is a horse. B. Smartness. C. Strength. D. Fatigue. The correct answer is going to be it is fatigue. Genuine, authentic, genuine ratio, authentic proportion. We can say mirage, ratio dash. A. So hideout. B. Illusion. C. Image. D. Reflection. So the correct answer is going to be it is B. Illusion. He had dared to challenge the views of August an August body of imperial historians. Here, August word means ordinary. B. Worthy of respect. C. Silly. D. None of these. The correct answer is going to be it is worthy of respect. The prison has succeeded in reducing recidivism. The word recidivism word means A. The tendency of convicted a convicted criminal to refend reoffend by going back to previous behavior. C. Backsliding. D. All of these. So the correct answer is going to be it is all of these. D is correct. Synonym of notorious is dash. A fervor. B. Flagrant. C. Finesse. D. Festive. So the correct answer is going to be it is flagrant. B is correct. Which of the following is a synonym for riven by? A. United by. B. Strengthened by. C. Split by. D. Supported by. So the correct answer is going to be C. Split by. What is the nearest meaning of the word protected? Protracted. Sorry. A. Brief. C. B. A lengthy or prolonged. C. Intense. D. Rapid. The correct answer is going to be it is B. Lengthy or prolonged. What is the nearest meaning of the word wryly? It is A. Happily. B. Uh, sarcastically. C. Seriously. D. None of these. The correct answer is going to be it is sarcastically. What is the nearest meaning of the word scathing? A. Mild. B. Severe of harsh or harsh. Sorry, severe or harsh. C. Supportive. D. Praise. The correct answer is going to be it is severe or harsh. B is correct. What does the word indictment signify? A formal accusation. B. Strong evidence of serious flaws or wrongdoing. C. Legal charge. D. Moral condemnation. So the correct answer is going to be A. Formal accusation. Which of the following is a synonym for breakneck? A. Leisurely. B. Dangerous. C. Slow. D. Rapid. So the correct answer is going to be, it is D. Rapid. Which of the following is a synonym for corrode? A. Strengthen. B. Decay. C. Polish. D. Assemble. So the correct answer is going to be, it is decay. Which of the following is synonym for a swath of? A. Fragment of. B. Piece of. C. Strip of. D. Hip of. The correct answer is going to be, it is strip of. C is correct. So thank you so much for watching the MCQs. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for upcoming important and you can say very interesting videos.